Good morning everyone, myself Khushi Maurya and I am the student of class 8th B. Today I am here to present my book which is How to Study and Succeed. This book is written by Mukhopadhyay Subhashis. This is a very useful and interesting book. This is a book of career management. If we read this book, we can get many more knowledge about this. In this book, everything is given in the deep. Every topics have its subtitles and it is described in very brief. It is like a whole tree. It has its roots, trees, flower, fruits, etc. Means if you can read this, you can know each and every knowledge. In this book you can go. So I would like to discuss some of the topics. So my first topic is the golden rules for every student. In these rules we are discussed that how to present in the class, how these rules are very important for us. Just like in these rules, it is given that we should come in the class every day, we should attend all the class, we should never bunk the classes, we should do the work at the same day on which it is given, we should all do work, and we should not understand any subject it is easy or less, it is easy or difficult, because every subject contains its own marks and every subject have equal marks. If we understand this subject is easy and another one is difficult, and we mostly focus on easy subject, not on the difficult, and if we do this, then our difficult subject will create doubts and it can create hurdles in our exams, because we always do what our brain likes, and our brains like in which it is easy to do, like easy things. We don't do the hard things. So we should always focus on the subject, not on the easy and difficult topics. So, and another thing is good handwriting. Good handwriting is essential part of our life, because if we write an exam, if you write correctly but your handwriting is not good, the person who is checking your copy have difficulty to check. If your writing is very clear, he can clearly read what you have written, so he will give you good marks, and you should improve your writing. We can improve our writing by doing writing one page every day, or seeing the writing book or cursive books by handwriting on it. And other topic is how to use our books. In this topic, it is written that we should use our book by marking only the very important things, not each and everything, because if we mark each and everything, it will create problems, it will create confusions. And we should read our textbook per day and more than 3-4 times. In exams, we should always read it carefully, very carefully, because it is very important, because questions are always from the textbook and the important points given in the line. And our next topic is a timetable for study. Making timetable is very essential for our studies, because a proper time makes the good life. As if we don't make timetable, we do the only subject which are only necessary, we do not look on all subjects, and in exam every subject came, so we should look on the all subjects. And important of good result. If there is good result, we get motivated, our environment get positive, and we feel like yes, we can do each and everything, and we should not neglect ourselves. Many people say that you can't do this, you are very poor, you can't do it. We should not take it negative, you should accept it as a challenge, because challenge changes the life. If we not accept, then we will understand ourselves, yes, I am useless, I can't do anything. We should say that I can and I will always. So motivate yourself, never get demotivated by others, because happiness lies in you. So believe in yourself and be happy. Thank you.